All right, guys. So we're in Hollywood, Funko Hollywood. If you guys probably have seen this place on YouTube, on Instagram, all over the place. But yeah, I feel like they have good selection of stuff, but you have to come early. We're here at 2 p.m. There's hardly anybody in here, so I feel like you either have to get here really early, or you have to wait for them to restock as well too. But they have a lot of photo ops. A lot of places where you can get pictures done. A lot of Funko Shop exclusives are out here that are just sitting there. So it's a cool experience to come in and see some cool stuff. You know, if you want Funko Shop exclusives, you can do that. But it's a cool experience. It's a vibe. There's always a lot of people. You can come and get your custom pop made as well too, which is what we did. We got 4 of them for our employees. So yeah, this is Funko Hollywood, and it's chill at 2 p.m. If you come early when they open at noon, it's a madhouse in here. But this is Funko Hollywood. Come and check it out. Let us know what you guys think. Thank you for checking out this video, and make sure you guys subscribe. Comment if you've made it to Funko Hollywood. If you haven't, comment what you want to see. Let us know. Let's chat, and then we'll see who's rambling. The anime section, they even have GameStop sticker stuff. So if you really want to like try to find certain things, you can find them in here that sometimes we don't have access to at the store or through Funko. Box Lunch exclusives. So it's still a good place to come and find some commons if you're trying to complete some collections. Well, Freddy's, a bunch of Five Nights at Freddy's stuff, all of these. Well, these are new. These are crazy. It's like a little Freddy house thing.
A pin and something else.
It's supposed to mimic the original one, right?
Yeah, exactly. If you want to see what it looks like opened, there's a display on the table upstairs, but that's sold out online. So if you like Batman, that's a really good one.
Yeah. Oh, you work here too?
Yes, I do. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I'm a customer too. I'm like, I love this stuff. So I'm a big paint job guy. I like one with a good paint job, so I'm just looking for a clean one right now. Yeah. But they're pretty sweet. Yeah, this is one of the better pops we have right now. I do love that it's Kevin Conroy's voice. It's not actually his voice, but they're going for a Conroy. Yeah, and that one is an exclusive, so you're not going to find that at other stores, which is always cool.
How often do they restock like during the day?
Randomly. You know, it depends on, there's a couple factors, like how busy is our stock team, how quick are things flying off the shelf. It's hard to say, but things, you know, sporadically, like this just came out.
Alright guys, we made it to the kiosk machine where we're gonna make a custom Funko Pop, and we're gonna get ready to do, who else we need to do? Adrian. So we're about to do Adrian and show you guys. Adrian's part of the pophuntthrills team. So we're gonna start his Funko. So you get to choose boy or girl. You can turn around and look at it. He doesn't have lashes, so no lashes. And then he has short hair.
I feel like it's like this.
Like something like this. And then Adrian has glasses. He uses black glasses. Facial hair, 0 facial hair for Adrian. And Adrian always has a hoodie, so we're gonna find him.
This one, that's the sweater.
Sweater.
Gray is.
Gray is what it is. Usually he's wearing black, but we're gonna go with that. And let's find him some pants. I was wearing like black pants. I think that's the one. Never seen no more jeans. Adrian likes the game.
See if they have a scooter, like a.
Scooter. He has a scooter. No scooter.
He likes to weight train though.
He does like to weight train, so we're gonna add that. That's what we got for Adrian, even though those are dressing shoes. That's a box. Alright guys, so we just did the whole kiosk process, got it done. We turned in our receipts in. They gave us tickets. They say it's going to be about a 20-minute wait for us to get them to come back and check. It took them like 10 minutes to call us up and start the process. So I'm going to say if you got a good hour to spare, 1.5 hours, it's like 2:30 in the afternoon. So you'll have enough time to do it in about an hour. So yeah, it was really easy. And there's a limit of 2 pops per person. So when you do come, be prepared. You're only allowed to do 2 per person. So yeah, it was an easy process, and we'll see what the result is when they give us the pops.
Now it was time for us to pack our things and skedaddle down to good old Arizona, and to show our crew the Funkos that we made them.
Yeah.
Recording? Mm-hmm. So here we go. Here is Jerry's.
Oh, yeah?
You got it?
Yeah.
Loves soccer. Wears glasses. He's usually wearing like a jersey style of football. Jersey, so there you are.
Osmosis employees.
Thank you. Very cool. Thank you.
And then I guess you guys can see Jerry.
Adrian?
Where's the beanie?
Oh wait, no beanie. I don't have a beanie.
No way.
I look like Freddy Funko.
We got the orange hair.
You got the orange hair.
You like Marvel. So
Oh,
you're wearing a
that's
superhero
clever.
outfit.
What's the little drink?
Your slush, your pickle drink.
Oh, there you go. That's so cool.
So we're gonna get our store manager Gabby her reaction to this item that we brought her from California.
Oh my god. I love it.
Show them what it is.
It's me with glasses and look at the kitty. It's the